Hello, welcome to my marketing plan. My name is Olivia Beasley, and today I'm going to tell you my marketing plan for the Best Day Explorers. I chose this name because, number one, I think that children truly do. We know that they learn through play and through exploring their environment, and I think that children should be able to explore no matter what environment that they're in, and I am a big advocacy person of children being outside and just getting the chance to explore their environment. And the best day comes from a song that I really like, and as a director, it would be my goal for each and every child that walked into my center to have the best day possible. Let's see. This is my flyer that I would post around the community. I would try to get this flyer out to places where I know children ages 6 weeks and 6 years, where their parents would be. For example, I know that these parents are going to be in a pediatrics office, so I could post it on the bulletin boards in a pediatrics office. I could post it at local churches, the library, just different places around the community that I know parents would have the opportunity to see it. Included on my brochure, I gave the name of my center, our logo, a picture of our staff, the phone number and contact information, as well as the address, and my mission and my philosophy, because I think it's important for parents to be able to see that kind of stuff. That way that they read the mission and they read my philosophy, and they know a little bit about what we're about just by looking at our flyer, which I think is very important. What makes us different from all the other child care centers in Georgetown, Kentucky is that we offer a parents' night out. This is not something that you see other centers doing. And what this is every other month, I can open the center from 5 to 9 and allow parents to have a chance to leave their children with someone they trust. And this night out would be included in the rate that parents pay per month, so they wouldn't have to find a babysitter or pay extra just to go have dinner with each other and enjoy each other's company, which I think it's very important for parents to have the opportunity to do that, because if they're working on their relationship, it shows children what a healthy marriage looks like. And also, being in Georgetown, Kentucky, a lot of people from around the state move here to work at Toyota because of the job opportunities, and that might mean that some families don't have their parents or friends there to help. They may be there alone and new, and so us offering a parents' night out, it just gives parents a peace of mind knowing that their children are going to be taken care of while they go and enjoy each other. This is my business card. It's pretty simple. I just wanted to stick with my blue and white and black theme. Just gave my contact information. And what I would do with this business card, as well as my flyer, is I'm a community-driven person, and I believe that you should use your community to get the word out. And so what I would do is at different events, such as the Horse Festival, the holiday market that's held in December, football games, basketball games, I would bring this stuff and be able to pass it out. Also, at the Horse Festival, I would have a booth that promotes our business, especially the first year until I can build up a clientele. And what that booth would have is just information about the center. And something else that I would do that I think is really fun, and it kind of fits in with the Explorer name, is I would paint rocks. I could have a booth, and the children could even paint rocks themselves to go hide. I could hide them around downtown and just around the community. And if parents and their children can find one of the best day rocks that we've hidden, and they would be distinctive, they would know which rock they're looking for. If they can get it and bring it in, we would give them a t-shirt as well as 20% off the first month that they enroll their child. I think that this would be very motivating for parents because, hello, it's a discount. Who doesn't love discounts? It could be they get a t-shirt, and it's just a really great way for parents and their children to bond, all while, bettering themselves and finding a place for their children to be. I hope that you enjoyed my PowerPoint. I really, really liked this project. It was fun, and there was a lot of stuff that goes into creating a business that I did not think about until we did this. And so it's been a really good practice, and I'm very thankful for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.